Blessings, y'all. I'm about to bleach some of my old shirts. A lot of you may not know, I got rid of a lot of my old stuff because I'm making way for new clothes. Because I need new clothes. And so I'm deciding to just bleach some of my old hoodies, some of my old pants. Why not? And I'm gonna see if I can resell them. Yeah, let's have some fun. Just letting you know that these shirts are not soaked, but they are pretty wet. So the bleach will have an easy time soaking into the fabric. So that is very important. Well, this is kind of soaked, damp clothes. So here we are, maybe about 10-15 minutes in. Everything's getting lighter, as you can see. The color kind of faded on my shirt that I did. A little sad about that, but excited to see the results. So now we're gonna get the water, rinse all this bleach off. You turn it off.
Okay.